Right, this is a quick run through how to start the registration process on Cyclone software. So first have your RTC 360 on, switched on, next to the iPod. Hit the iPod on. When the iPod's on, switch on the scanner software. Once it's on, you'll see are the jobs that you've been working on. So you pick a job. I'll pick this one. Yep. Select that job, it should open. It should show you the scans and it'll start to come in, showing the different other clouds layering on top of each other. So what you want to do is we've got to link all these together, just to knit them tight together. So the best way to do it, especially if you've got a lot of scan sites, on the right hand side here there's menu. The only one you need to worry about is the one on the right hand, the second from the top, which is setups. And you get unlinked setups, which these are at the minute, and then once they get linked together they become what's called a bundle, that you'll see that in a minute. So selecting unlinked setups, it gives me setup 6 down to 1. I click on the little eye symbol and it'll switch off that setup, so I'm going to switch off them all and just leave setup 1 and 2. Now when I go back to the screen, at the bottom, these three, this one here is for linking them together, link. Select the two setups, 1 and 2. I hit start alignment. I then have to hit optimize, and this is when it looks for the matching surfaces and ties it together, and then I hit create link, and that's it gone blue, so they are now turned together. Click outside, reset, back to the side menu, unlinked setups, switch on the next one, it's now there, link, select the nearest scan to the next one I'm going to link, start alignment, optimize, create link, and you can visually see that there's nothing too untoward, there's no scans that look out of place with the others, so everything's fine on this one. And I just go through the same process, linking them all. And this one, I'm going to link this scan here, not in order, but to the one that's I would say is closest, because they'll see the same sort of picture, if you like, and they should match. Optimize, create link. Now I'll finish the other two later just to show you. Now we've got these 4 linked together. This is what's called a bundle. Now in the top one you've got bundle 1. Again, you can turn bundle 1 on and off as well, as a group. But when you've selected your bundle, touching the circle will rotate it. I don't want to do that until all the other scans have been linked. But what you can do is at the top you've got different options. This is map view, 360 is to go into the panoramic photos, and 3D will take into the scan, which you can use 2 fingers, and you can just go in and have a look and just interrogate the scan site and see the coverage you've got. And this is also a good check. You'll see right away if scans are misaligned and points are all over the place, or if you've got a good clarity, then you've got a good linked scan setup. So that's the basics, providing you haven't got to fix anything untoward. Okay, then once you're done that, I would just go back to map, hit the outside, reset, and then just come back out of that job, leaving job, yes. You don't have to hit save or anything, just come out, it automatically saves back to your main menu. That's it.